Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about the doors. Yes, you will find a lot of the videos in my channel about the doors, but today we're gonna talk about some special door. Around internet you will find a lot of different type of the doors, like parametric one, static one, from some YouTubers on the markets, yet some people buying the families for the Revit. Why not? But we gonna concentrate today on the special doors. What is that special doors? And especially we will concentrate on the left and right parameter. As you understand, if you're creating the special doors, left and right parameter you should create by your own. Because you cannot just going and download from the internet because your door is special. Anyway, this tutorial mostly how to create this parameter and how to use it. As you understand, this tutorial mostly for the new users in Revit. So, anyway, if you are on advanced level, it doesn't mean you don't need to watch this video. Maybe you will find some interesting moments for you. You can just scroll it and maybe you will find some interesting moment. Who knows? Actually, we have like 3 different stages of this tutorial. First we will create the special door. It will be so complicated, will be just our own door. The second one we will create the parameter left and right. In the end we will create the schedule where we will calculate it and sort it. As you understand, this is video like a full tutorial how to create the door, how to create the parameter and how to calculate it. Like in one video, you don't need to watch like 3 different videos or looking some different topics. Just one video and you understand now how to create from the start to the end. So if you're interested in this topic, let's get started. As always, we will start from the scratch, so we will create the new family. Let's go to create the new family, and as you understand, we need door family. Let's create door family. Here is our door family. Just few seconds and it will be on your screen. So here we are. This is door template. What we're gonna do next we will save it. Yes, we straight away will save it. Let's save it as, and let's go save it as family. I will go to the desktop and I'll create here some test folder. I will create this test folder like test. Let's go inside to the test, and I already have the test, so I will create the test door. It will be more properly, and let's write will be door left right. So let's save it. Why we save it? Because actually will be work on the door family. We will go to the generic model. Let's go to the generic model. Let's create the new family. Here we are, and we need now generic model. Let's find here's generic model. Generic model, it's here. I will open it up. And what we're gonna do next, as always, we will create the reference plane. We need 4 reference plane, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, we're creating some square here, and after that we need dimensions. First we need dimensions to equal distance for both of the direction, and after that we need overall dimension, 1 overall dimension and second overall dimension, as you can see it here. So here will be first parameter. I will create the parameter. The parameter will be width, and don't forget it will be instance. We'll leave it on instance, and let's say okay. And this parameter will be thickness. We'll create the new parameter and let's write it. Don't forget instance. Leave it on the instance because we want to transfer our parameter to the next family. We did it. And let's go straight away now to the properties. Here we are. And let's say the thickness will be like 25 mm, the standard thickness of the door. And width will be like 900 mm. Yeah, again, the standard one. And here we are. We get some standard. So the next one we're going to create. We're going to extrusion. Here we are, and we're using this line. Pick the line and pick the one line, and don't forget lock it. The second line, lock it. That line, lock it, and this line, lock it. After that, use the trim, and let's trim everything. And here is our boundary, it's finished. So what we're gonna do next? Next we should create the extrusion end. So let's create the extrusion end. This will be height. And it also will be instance. Let's say okay, let's say okay, and let's say okay, yes. If we will go now to the 3D in this family, you will see something like that. You may think we did something wrong, but it's not. If we will go again to the properties, you will see the height is only 250 millimeters. So we should make it, let's say, 2100 millimeters. Yes, it's much right size. And as you can see, here is our door. So we did it, everything alright. And what we're gonna do next? Next we will save it to, I will go to the file, I will go to the save as, family. Now as you can see, we under the folder test door. Let's create the new folder, and this new folder will call door type, or frame. Let's call it the frame. And this will be door frame flush. Let's say okay. I will close all my inactive views, and now I have only two: my main one with the main family of the door, and the second one with my door frame. I will load now door frame inside to our door family. Load and close this project. Here we are, and let's place it somewhere here. We don't need it right now. It's already here, as you can see. And what we have here, as you can see, we have here the width. I will select this family, and as you can see, we also have the parameter width. I will apply here the same parameter, and now if we will change this parameter will change it too. What the next? Here we have also the parameter the height. Height is 2000 millimeter. It's much work. I think we should try it. I will try it. The height. Okay. And thickness we will leave as it is, because here the thickness it's a bit, we have it, but it doesn't have, for that family. Maybe later on we will change it. So what we're gonna do next? Next we should say this is left or right door, but we don't have any parameter for that one. We should create it. But before we will do that, let's place the door. First thing, I wanna rotate it. I will rotate on the 90 degree, and after that I wanna copy it. Yeah, we will just copy it. Now we have two doors. The second thing, I will align it. I will use align key. I will align this part with this part, and as you can see, we get this thing. Why? Because our thickness it's not parameterized. So for that thing, we should go to the properties, and I will say here the thickness. Let's say our door will be 50, just to make it a bit big. Let's select both our doors, and as you can see, we have the parameters thickness without parameterize. Let me parameterize it, thickness, and as you can see, it's 50. And let's try again to align it. Align one part with another part. And as you can see, not any problem. The secret is if you parameterize some parameter and you're trying to align it, it's not changing variable. It will always keeping the 50 millimeters, as you can see right now. So this is tricky way. Maybe in next tutorial I will show you how you can use it in some families. It's really a nice thing. I will align this part with this part, and not this part and this part, and let's connect. And let's do the same thing. This one and that side connect, and that side connect. You will say, so Nico, this is something really strange, and you will be right. This is something really strange. So we're gonna do something with this door because it doesn't look like we want. Before we will do something, let's create some new project. It will be just test scene where we will load up our family and testing is it working or no. Let me create the architecture one. We doesn't save it because actually, as I say, this is just testing. So I will change the course. The detail of the graphic, and I will place the level 0 here. So let me load this family inside to the project, and as you can see we get something really strange. This is really not door, because we have two flush door, and how it will be close and open. For that situation we should create the parameter, it's calling the right or left. Let me will create this parameter right or left. First we will create the new type of the door. As you can see, our door it's 1000 by as I said, 1000 by 2000 millimeter, and this door will be left. And let's create one more door. Same thing, 1000 by 2000, and will be right. And now you will say, we didn't change anything, and how it's come left and right. So for that one, we should create, as I said, parameter. And this parameter will be pretty much simple. This is visibility parameter. Let's select this door, and let's call it that left door will be right. So I will find here the visibility. Here is the visible, and let's open this new parameter. Let's create this parameter, and this door will be right. Let's write the first V, so it's visible right, and this parameter will be type. Let's say OK. The same thing we will do with the right side. Actually, this is left. I will create L, and it will be left. Oh, sorry, V, and it will be left. Nice thing. Let's say OK. So, and now we need just if parameter. That's it. So we can create if parameter, but if you're so lazy, just don't do it. It's up to you. You can do it manually. For example, here is the right opening door. Let's find the visible. It's here visible. So just uncheck left, and let's apply. Go to the left, and here uncheck just right, and apply it. And now if you will choose left door, you will see left. If you choose right, you will see only right. So it's also possible. But you can also create, for example, the if parameter. It's will help you if, for example, you can be mistaken. So the parameter if will help you. I will show you how you can do that. Actually, you will be now in shock, because we should write just one thing. For example, let me write not right. So what does it mean? If our door, we right. Okay, so now if you will check right, it's automatically switching off or left. So if you will uncheck, it's automatically switching left. So you never will be mistaken if you have left and right door. Just one click and that's it. It will help you much. So I will place here the left. So I will uncheck. I will go to the right door, and as you can see, here is check. Let's say OK. So let me go back to let's load this door family again to our testing project. Let me load it, and let's overwrite the existing version and parameters. And what we see? We see only the left door, or actually right door. If I will select this door, yeah, as you can see, a door left, right, because we call our door left and right. It's OK. And if I will check the left door, I can see the left door. If I will check we have the both, as you can see. We should change it, because it will be mistake. I will go here, and we have this door, yes, and better if I will delete this door. I will find this door under the families. Door, as you can see, it's here. I will delete all the doors. And just this one, I will delete our door. And now it's this family not in our testing project. I will load the gain. I will place it. Let's select it. And now we can see only two types of the door. Much easiest. Left, right, and you can manage it. So I will place some more doors. Like one here. I will place one more here. And this door will be another one. This door will be right. Okay, and as I said, we should calculate it. How we can do that? For that one, easily, let's go to the schedule, let's create a new schedule, and we need door schedule. Let me find the door, I think it's here. Let's say okay, and what we need? Let's say we need family type, we need the type, we need count of the doors, of course. I will find the counts, count is here, count it will be last one, and we need, of course, let's say the family, and we need the parameter right on left, but as you can see, we don't have here this parameter, and now this is a trouble. How you can, yes, we can say okay, and now you can see the name right, left, yeah, but it's a bit hard to sort it because sometimes you need under type just exactly name of the door, without the left, without the right, exactly name. But how you understand this is left door or the right? For that situation, we should create some special parameter. Let me, I will go back to inside to our family, and now we will do that. Now it's interesting thing inside the parameters. Let's go to the parameters, and as you can see, here is our left and right. I will select the right, and I will go to the edit, and we will change to the shared parameter. I will select it. Let's select the parameter, and this is my pretty old shared parameter. I will create the new, edit, new, and as we already write, right. So this is our parameter we write, and this parameter yes or no, yes or no. Let's say okay, we write okay, and as you can see, this is type 1. Let's say okay, and everything working. Let's do the same thing with that one. Shared parameter, the new one, we left, sorry, left with the uppercase. And this type of the parameter should be yes or no. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, sorry. Left. Okay, okay, okay. And let's load it in again to our project and overwrite all the parameters. Let's go to the door schedule. Let's go to the fields. And let's try to find something. And what we can see the left and right parameter. Ta-ta! So, by this thing, we can just add this parameter like this, and as you can see, now we can see where is our left and right parameter. Actually, we have here the true, because we get the formula, as you remember, we get the formula, and they're showing the true or false. And here we have the false. Actually, you can straight away change the type of the door here. As you can see, this is possible. Yeah, you can do that. But by this way, also you can sort your families. So you can even stack your families. For example, you want to sort it by a left parameter, and after that you want to have the header. I will do that. And as you can see, here is our left, here is our right, and here is our left. Actually, this is a bit not clear way, but this is most simple way to sort our door. For example, you wanna just create two schedules. If you wanna create these two schedules, you just can filter it. For example, if we have the parameter, as you can see, we have only two parameters for the door, and this is two parameters our own one. Let me create this one, and these parameters doesn't equal yes, let's say. And now you can see we have only the right doors in this schedule. You can change it whatever you want. Now you clearly understand, I think so, how you can calculate the doors, how you can create the left and right doors. You can go back to the family and create just annotative line and also apply this parameter. I think I will show you. I will go to create. Here is the model line. I will create the model line. I will use this center end. I will create the center end. I will create the 90 degree. I will select my arc. I want to see my visible center mark. Now I can see visible center mark. Let's do the align key. Let's align this side. Let's align it, lock. Let's align this one. Let's align it, lock. And as you can see, dimension not right. Let's create dimension. This dimension will be exactly width. And as you can see, exactly our line. Now let's select this line, and let's say visibility with our, I'm not sorry, not visibility, visible parameter will be same like with the right. Okay, let me load inside to the project, override exist, and here is our door. As simple as that. The same thing you can do with the other side, and it also will be with this line. As you can see, you can create by your own. That's why I said, if you're creating some special door, just remember about the visible and create some parameters, and after that it will be easiest to check it in the under the schedule. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.